Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of flip phones and foldable smartphones with the Motorola Razr 2022. Let's see if it lives up to the hype and if it's worth your hard-earned money. The Motorola Razr 2022 brings back the iconic flip phone design with a modern twist. It's not just about nostalgia. This phone is packed with flagship-level features, including a powerful processor and an impressive camera. The standout feature of the Razr 2022 is its foldable display. With a bright 6.7-inch POLED folding inner display and a smaller 2.7-inch quick-view cover screen, this phone offers convenience and functionality. The updated design falls somewhere between the classic Razr 2019 and Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 4. The quick view display is handy for notifications, music control, and quick access to the camera. The newer Razr 40 Ultra takes it to the next level with a larger 3.6-inch exterior panel with a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, making it a compelling reason to consider the newer model. Motorola has significantly upgraded the camera on the Razr 2022. It boasts a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, macro sensor, supporting features like ultra-res mode, night vision, and 8K video recording. The camera performance is impressive, delivering sharp and vibrant photos with a good balance between realism and style. The Razr 2022 comes with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 8GB of RAM and 5G support. Real-world performance is smooth and snappy, perfect for browsing, streaming, and gaming on the main display. The phone has a 3500 mAh battery with 30W turbo power charging, providing fast charging speeds. However, it lacks wireless charging, a feature found in many high-end phones today. Motorola has improved the durability of the Razr 2022 with an IP52 water repellent rating, making it more resistant to water than its predecessor. However, it still falls behind Samsung's foldables in this aspect. The phone runs on Google's Android 12, with an update to Android 13 promised in 2023. It comes with all the app support and widgets you'd expect from Android, along with customization features through the Moto app. The Ready For feature allows you to sync your phone with your TV or PC for a bigger screen experience. It also supports Dolby Atmos audio for enhanced sound quality. The Motorola Razr 2022 is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, offering a more modern design, improved camera, and better performance. Despite a few drawbacks like the lack of wireless charging and a lower IP rating, it's a solid choice for those who want a foldable smartphone with a touch of nostalgia. However, with the release of the Razr 40 Ultra in 2023, the Razr 2022 faces tough competition from its newer sibling, which offers a larger battery, improved hinge mechanism, and a larger cover display. If you're willing to spend a bit more, the Razr 40 Ultra might be worth considering. That's it for our review of the Motorola Razr. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech reviews on Product Critique. See you next time.